Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video I'm about to do summer nails. This nails is called the strawberry drink from Starbucks. Whatever, I saw it, I loved it, and my sister came with the nails. She loved it and we decided to do it. Those are my primers and my base coat. You guys saw me taking out the shine from the nails. It's a very quick and short video. Please watch to the end, okay? Right now I'm applying my base coat. After applying my base coat, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, those are the fruits that came from Amazon. I ordered it on Amazon. It came with different kind of fruits, but I'm only going to use the strawberry one because I'm doing a strawberry drink. So that's my ROSALIND polygel. This polygel is really good for beginners. If you want to start doing your polygel, it's cheap, and also the consistency is really good. It gives you time to work on your nails. So I'm just applying the polygel from the cuticle areas down to the tip, and then I'm gonna apply my red gel liner on it just to have a little bit of darker color. I don't know why I really did this, but it's okay. At the end it was nice. Okay, so then after doing that, I'm gonna start applying the strawberry on the nails. Do not cure it before you apply your strawberry. You have to apply your strawberry on the nails. If anyone is too wide, you can cut it. You guys are gonna see me cut it one of the strawberry because I needed to place it in just one side of the nails. So that is it. Right now I'm just working around the sides of the nails just to make sure the shape is perfect, and then I cured it for 60 seconds. So guys, it is your choice if you don't want to add the red gel liner. For me, later I figured out that it wasn't necessary. Okay, let's give a warm welcome to our new subscribers. You guys are welcome to the channel. You guys are really welcome. In this channel we do polygel, as you can see. We review products, we also unbox products. Okay, please stick around. Always like my videos, share my video, comment. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Trust me, I will get to you. Okay, thank you. Always give me a thumbs up. Watch my videos to the end. So guys, for the ring finger, we're gonna do an ice cream nails. So I went with this my dark Nude polygel. I'm gonna link everything in the description box. Okay, I went in with that. You guys are gonna see me making the cone. Okay, and to our old subscribers, you think I'll forget you? Why should I? Welcome back again to the channel. Thank you for always watching and commenting on my videos. Okay, thank you so much. So right now I'm just I don't know what that is called, but I have it. I ordered it online. I don't think I still have the link, but if I do, I'm gonna put it in the description box. So I'm just dipping it inside my acrylic powder. I have a clear acrylic powder. I'm sorry I didn't show it to you guys. I over edited this part, I think so. So I just use it to make the cone, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Right now I'm going in with the second layer of the polygel. The same polygel, I'm just going to use it to cover the top of the nails. So, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going to do this on all the nails that we have the strawberry.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So guys, that is my clear poly gel. I'm gonna apply it on all the nails and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. You need to apply your clear poly gel so that when you start filing, you don't file out the strawberry from the nails. When you file out the strawberry, then the beauty is off. Okay, so that's my sleep solution. I'm gonna use it to clean the surface of the nails. I do this because when I start filing, it doesn't damage my file. When you don't clean your surface, when you don't clean the surface of the nails, it damages your file and you don't want that. Okay, things are really expensive these days. So I'm just shaping the nails just to give her the perfect shape. I'm also going to use it to file the surface of the nails. Oh guys, as for the ring finger, which is the ice cream nails, I did not apply a clear polygel to it at all. I didn't apply clear polygel because when you do, you're actually going to cover those lines, and I didn't really file it that much. You can see what I'm doing. So right now I'm going to go in with my cuticle drill bit just to walk around the cuticle areas of the nails. So guys, I have my e-file. I'm just going to use it to file the surface of all the nails. I'm just going to carefully use it. Guys, be careful. Do not pay attention to the speed. This thing is really low. When it's too high, when the speed is too much, you can injure the person skin. You can overfile it, and then it's like your job is wasted. The thing you did is wasted. So just carefully file it, and that's it. So I have my sanding bands. I'm just gonna also use it to file the surface of all the nails. I told you guys this is a very quick video. I'm just doing it just to make sure I don't waste too much of your time. So that's my buffer. I'm just gonna use it to buff all the nails. So guys, after everything, I asked her to go clean her nails, to go wash it, and then I'm just cleaning it with my sleep solution just to take out the excess dust from the nails. So right now we are about to make the ice cream on the cone. Do you guys get it? Ice cream on the cone. I got that. She wanted those colors. She picked those colors, not me. It wasn't my decision. She picked it and I didn't want to argue with her. Okay, so I ordered this on Amazon. I've used it in my previous one of my videos. So it just the same as polygel. You also use your sleep solution on it, but it's just thicker and stronger than polygel. So I'm just trying to make the ice cream on the cone. Yeah, you guys get it. So and then she wanted me to add something like a flower over it, whatever it was, but she chose this and it came out so good. So guys, after applying this, I'm just dipping in my sleep solution. I cured it for 60 seconds. Right now we are about to make bubbles. You know, it's a strawberry drink. When you order strawberry from Starbucks, it always comes in with bubbles. So that's what we're trying to make. That's my white gel polish, and also my top coat. I just mix them, apply it on the nails, make the bubbles. How you make your bubbles is get any liquid soap, pour it into water, just shake it, apply it on the nails, and then cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, and I'm just tapping the excess bubbles on the top of the nails. The reason why I'm doing this, I just want to show you guys, is because I did not clean the sides of the nails before curing it. Make sure you clean it before curing it to avoid what just happened to me. So I'm just trying to make a sprinkle the nails, which I did already. I'm applying my top coat. After applying my top coat, you guys know I'll cure it for 60 seconds. When you apply your top coat on these bubbles, then you actually see the beauty of the bubbles. Okay, I don't think I did it good. I don't think it's perfect, but I tried. At least give me a thumbs up of doing that. I just researched about it. It did just come up in my head. I didn't know how to do it at first. I researched and then I was able to do it. So that's my cuticle oil. You guys know we always add cuticle oil to our nails just to give our nails a shine. That is the work. That's the finished look of this beautiful nails. These nails came out so beautiful. When I was doing it, I wasn't liking it, but after everything, I love it. Okay, give it a try. Put it down in the comment section. Let me know how you did. So if you understood this tutorial and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.